My name is Kalpana Krishnan. I am from Open University Subrang Today I want to give an excellent explanation about four benefits that community can give to the preschool. First, creating a community. Preschool community partnerships promote family and community involvement in children's schooling with districts, encouraging parental assistance with homework, providing leaderships opportunities, forming partnerships with local organizations, and more. When families and communities members are involved in student learning, students improve their academic performance and gain advocates that promotes their success. Parent and community engagement has long been a focus for schools. However, parental involvement in education tends to decline as children go up in grade. Lack of parental involvement is viewed by teachers, administrators, and the public as the single biggest problem facing schools, making it crucial for districts to evaluate their family community initiatives to promote increased involvement. By engaging family and community members in students' schools experiences, districts can actively support students' development and learning as well as improve school practices and operations by identifying the features that best support students. Here are some explanation about how strong family school community partnerships help to increase student achievement, improve attendance and behavior, enhance staff understanding of family community needs, and build a strong school reputation. First, increase students' achievement. Research demonstrates that strong relationships between schools, families, and community members can positively affect students' achievement and outcomes. Increased family engagement in school is strongly associated with faster rates of literacy among children, increased rates on going on to secondary education, and decreased rates of school dropout. In addition, when families know about and encourage students to take rigorous classes, students are more likely to enroll and score higher on tests. Parents can support students' academic success by monitoring and assisting with homework, providing an at-home learning environment with high expectations and strategies to help students achieve success. Schools can support parents by providing homework answers, keys, and partnering with local organizations to offer helpful resources or events like tutoring centers for parents to learn about the curriculum and skills being taught. In an attempt To promote good attendance, many schools providing incentives like pizza, while trade-like initiatives encourage some students to come to school. Family and community involvement in the school experience has been shown to be more important influence on student attendance. Families monitoring students' whereabouts, talking with their children about school, volunteering, and being involved in the parent-teacher associations promotes a lower level of absenteeism among students. Schools can support families by hosting workshops on how to talk with students about school and partnering with local organizations to provide after-school programs. Third benefit is enhance staff understanding of family community needs. Schools may wish to involve families and community members in students' school experience but not understand their needs, interests, and ideas about partnering. Many parents point to busy schedules, preventing time for volunteering or school involvement with others, revealing dissatisfaction with school communication. These parents report lacking the know-how and resources to support their child and frustration with hard to understand school policies. In addition, schools may not address language or cultural differences or the needs of single parents, grandparents, or foster parents, making caregivers feel uncomfortable in school setting. Transparency and open dialogue about school policies and initiatives are necessary to promote family understanding. Schools must also focus their efforts on accommodating language and cultural differences so all families and community members can be involved in students' learning. Partnering with local organizations or community members that understand these differences can be helpful in building community and meeting the needs all student supporters. Stronger school reputation. Schools that engage families and community members see a statistically significant increase in their reputation. Schools earn parent endorsement when they focus their effort on making parents feel comfortable in the school setting. When strong family school community partnership results in improved academic outcomes, attendance, and family comfort, the school becomes known as a valuable place to receive an education and student support. Creating infrastructures. Some schools whose reputations experienced a turnaround from improved engagement hired individuals who had personal connections with the community to lead community engagement initiatives. Staff can also improve the school's reputation with periodic school climate surveys sent to family and community members to understand how they perceive the school environment, academic offerings, and supports of students. That's all. Thank you.